Hello, hello. This is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalLove.com, and today I wanted to show you the difference between regular cardstock and 120-pound cardstock using your FREEBIES cards. So here is from the baking kit a FREEBIES card with 120-pound cardstock, and here you can see it pops right in. The holes are very sturdy. It stands up by itself. I love this weight. Now the regular cardstock is better than copy paper, but it's still very flimsy, and here's a sample of some regular cardstock, and it's just not quite as sturdy. Now here's some from the prayer kit, for the prayer warrior kit that I did, and again, very sturdy. Let me get this out of the box. Very sturdy. The holes are going to last a long time without tearing. And the first ones I did were a lot flimsier. Not only was it regular cardstock, but I doubled it, and I still was not happy with it at all. So I'm going to go back and reprint those on this 120-pound cardstock. I have not tried 110-pound cardstock, but it's a little bit cheaper. It's about $14 for 120-pound for 50, but it's $13 for 110-pound, and that's for 100. So you'll have to decide, but the other one is just, the regular cardstock is just not sturdy enough for me for my FREEBIES cards. I'll leave links below on where you can get the cards and where you can get the paper and how you can get to our Facebook group. Subscribe for weekly Friday freebies. The link is below. And visit our Facebook group for more information on FREEBIES cards. Bye-bye.